This is my second part of the feedback. Just to finish this up, I was saying here the final sentence is fine, it's okay as a conclusion. You just maybe need to work a little bit on the grammar. Will able, again, is not grammatical, will be able maybe. And again, everyone here, it's better to be more specific, right? Again, what are the stakeholders involved here? In business, what would that be? Future entrepreneurs maybe? But as a final sentence, it works well. You've tried to summarize the whole video. That's exactly what you need to do. So good work. So structure-wise, you have a good paragraph here. You forced yourself to state the first idea argumentatively, which is good. You have obviously cohesive devices, reporting verbs. So all of that, structure-wise, is very good. The conclusion is also good. I would just say work a little bit on the grammar, on the phrasing, and on this sentence structure here. The best thing to do, just make sure that every supporting idea receives its own sentence. And okay, maybe you can combine one or two, but just don't do that simply with commas, because that just destroys the whole sentence structure and it becomes unclear. So I think that the safest solution would be just to explain clearly in a very focused way in simple sentences each and every supporting idea one by one, and you can use obviously linking words in between. I think that would be the safest way to do that. Okay, I hope this has been helpful, Nargis. From now on, we will direct our attention to the evidence paragraph. So my feedback from now on will be to your evidence paragraph. Okay, good luck on the exam with the summary.